Welcome to a new house tour in Tampah Hills. This is Villa Mentari, and you're coming in through this beautiful landscaped pathway into the villa here. It's a 2-bedroom villa, but it has a mezzanine with an extra bed up there also, so you could sleep a few extra people. But the bedrooms are situated on each side of the living, kitchen, lounge area, so it's very private, and they both have their ensuite bathrooms. And here, coming into the heart of the villa with the kitchen, dining and lounge area, and followed by this outdoor lounge and sunken sofa and eventually the pool. The villa is designed by Caceres & Toes Studio, and it has this beautiful wood structure, and the inner ceiling is cladded with wood, which is a really nice highlight. And coming out here where we have the sunken sofa area, and in the back we have the sun lounges, and you can move them around if you want to be in the sun or in the shade. And the beautiful afternoon light comes in through the landscape, really beautiful here. And you have the infinity pool overlooking the ocean. And coming into this beautiful bedroom with a lot of nice architectural details, so it will take you a moment to walk them through. And you have a separate toilet here and a nice separate shower, rain shower, wood detailed wardrobes, big mirrors, and endless of views. And coming up the stairs here to this mezzanine, you see the entire wood structure. You have a window looking out and comfy bed. And here I'm gonna take you to the western master bedroom where you have the sunset light in the afternoon. Wow, also stunning bedroom with both views and architectural details. Also, same with a separate toilet, shower and bathrooms in the back, and a beautiful bathtub outside. You can enjoy the sunsets.